Castle. Explore the mysteries of the 13th century on the shores of Lake Geneva. Enjoy the picturesque vineyards of the Swiss La Côte, between Lausanne and Geneva. Relax on the shores of Lake Geneva, discover nearby Geneva, and observe the nearby Île de la Harpe or Harpe Island, a picturesque haven of birds and tranquility. Nestling on the shores of Lake Geneva, the castle is near the old town of Rolle City, built in the 13th century, embodies the region's centuries-old history. Its imposing towers and stone walls recall a time when Swiss nobility shaped the region's destiny. Today, Rolle Castle offers much more than a plunge into the past. Its richly decorated rooms host cultural and historical exhibitions, highlighting key moments in the history of the region. Period artifacts and captivating stories transport visitors through the centuries, offering a unique perspective on the evolution of Rolle and its surroundings. Just a few meters from Rolle Castle, the Harpe Island, also known as Île Auxiliary Oiseaux. Nestled on the lake, this picturesque island is a natural refuge, a sanctuary where tranquility reigns, a haven of peace where nature flourishes in harmony. Visitors can stroll along the winding paths, breathe in the fresh lake air, and contemplate the serene panorama of the neighboring chateau. And Harpe Island, a tranquil pearl in the heart of Lake Geneva, completes the magical experience offered by Château de Rolle. The Côte region, where the chateau stands proudly, is renowned for its picturesque vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see. Wine lovers will be delighted to explore the local cellars and taste the exceptional vintages produced in these fertile lands. The green hills, dotted with vineyards, offer an idyllic setting for bucolic strolls. Rolle also benefits from its proximity to Lake Geneva, one of Europe's largest lakes. Visitors can enjoy leisurely cruises, picnics by the water's edge, or simply contemplate the peaceful beauty of the lake and its shores from the castle gardens. Geneva, a cosmopolitan and international city, is just a short drive away. This proximity offers visitors the chance to explore the city's rich culture and dynamic attractions, while staying in the timeless charm of the Côte region. Château de Rolle presents itself as a gateway to an adventure where history, vineyards, fantastic island, majestic lake, and proximity to Geneva intertwine harmoniously, offering a rich and unforgettable tourist experience.
Thank you for your like. Support us. Subscribe and share. Thank you for your like. Support us. Subscribe and share.